Bottle cutting is an easy and fun hobby that you can make into a business to earn some extra money. It is very easy to start, and a simple bottle cutter can be made at home. The one I am using was made with some scrap wood, and the cutting blade was purchased from AliExpress. A link is in the description below. It consists basically of two pieces of 2" by 1" wood screwed onto a base, with a central piece of wood which is used as a stop to determine the cutting length, and can be adjusted quickly to suit many different bottle sizes. The first thing to do is to check where you would like to cut the bottle, and then clamp the stop in place. When this is done, you begin by slowly rotating the bottle, applying a slight downward pressure. You only want to score the bottle once, all the way around. Please subscribe and watch part 2, where we will show you how to separate the two parts quickly and efficiently.